Hi, it's Leanne from Uplift Health and Fitness. How are you going? Hey, I wanted to quickly show you a green smoothie. I know that sounds really basic, but a lot of people I talk to just have a little trouble in constructing it so that it's not grainy and lumpy and all that kind of thing. Now, I don't always have it perfect either, and I have to tweak it a little bit, yeah? But I want to show you just an example of what I would put in one, and we'll whip it up. One of the things that I think is key, plain coconut water. I mean, this one's watermelon, because you can actually buy flavoured. You can buy pineapple, watermelon. I reckon it makes it smooth and creamy. It's not as coconutty as you'd think it would be if you're not a big fan of coconut, but I think it makes all the difference rather than just adding normal water to a smoothie. The coconut water is divine, yeah. The other cheat thing, like I've chopped up some stuff here, so I've actually I've cheated a little bit. I've got frozen pineapple, frozen mango, right? So that saved me a little bit of time. That I've got fresh as well. Apple, green apple, cucumber, spinach, and a bit of mint out of the garden. So I'm lucky enough to be growing spinach and mint. So that's what I would put in a smoothie. I would also put in mint and pineapple, watermelon with cucumber and apple and spinach or kale. And the other way to cheat a little bit, I've talked to you about the frozen. This is a really cool idea. This is a frozen smoothie mix. So if you're not sure, grab some coconut water, grab a bag of this. You can get Boost Juice ones now in the freezer as well. Like, they're not new, but for $4, that's, I don't know how much it costs it for a Boost Juice, maybe $7 or something like that. But you can buy them in frozen bags. This is just loose like berries when you buy frozen berries. But brilliant. If you put a handful of that in or a cup of that in with some coconut water, you've already got your smoothie already. Another thing to note, you can chuck in some greens powder. Yeah, so if you want to make it extra green, if you really haven't had time or you're just not really sure yet and you're still getting used to the whole idea of adding nutrients with green powders, just grab some greens powder, either something like this or Vital, just from the supermarket. Doesn't have to be fancy, from the health food shop, anywhere you'll find it. Just put a teaspoon of that in your juice every morning. If you want to up your nutrients, I really recommend, especially trying to get your metabolism working properly or your tummy working properly, assuming you've got no tummy issues, of course. You need to be careful of what you put in there. But greens powder is an easy way to up the nutrients, right? So I'm going to show you this. I'm going to throw in some cucumber. Maybe I don't have to use all of this. All right, some apple, green apple. We'll put all the mint in because I love mint. Frozen. Now, frozen mango can make it a bit gluggy, so you just got to be mindful of that if you're putting too much frozen stuff in there, or just use ice.